Good morning. Good morning, Wanjo. Good morning. Good morning, baby. How are you? How's your sleep? Say good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, baby. That's Wanjo in the morning. What? Say hi. Hello. Good morning. Stretch muna, stretch. Stretch. Come on. Stretch. Strong bones. Good job. Hello. Hello, my baby boy. Hello. What will you do today? Huh? My baby? Wancho. Hello, everyone. I am 5 months old. My name is Wancho. Okay. Hello. Ooh. Nalaglag yung phone. Sorry, baby. Nalaglag yung phone. Buti hindi ka tinamaan. Hello. Say hi. Oh. What will you do? Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. No, Wancho. So, it's Saturday morning. Ano na tayong pasok. Oh, roll over. Yan. Good job. Go. Yeah. 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 Go. Sige, go. What? 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 Roll over. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. What? Did you fart? Did you fart? Don't eat. Huwag mo kainin yan. That's the hair of Dada. Hey! No! Did you fart? Huh? Did you fart? Did you fart? Right. Breakfast na tayo ngayon. Luto tayo ng egg. Egg. Tulog na si baby. Tapos meron tayong natirang hello. Meron tayong meron tayong tirang pata. Yan o, almusal o. So, breakfast tayo with egg. Nating flowers para kay tatay. Anniversary.
Undas ba?
Anniversary.
Flowers for tatay.
Undas pala, undas. O nga pala, undas pala ngayon. Flowers for tatay. Right, silipin natin si baby. Yun yung kanyang pampatulog. Golden. Golden by Huntrix. Alright. At mag-almuchaw muna tayo. Almuchaw. Ano si Liam? Lamig ng kape.
Init mo nga doon.
Lamig ng kape. Tayong fried rice. So Wancho is awake again and Wancho is pooping. You're pooping. Pooping. Poop ikaw? Huh? You poop? You poop? Asim. So, alright. Yun lang yung kanyang nap. It's like 30 minutes nap. 30 minutes nap with Wancho. Hello, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you kicking me? Linis na? Linis na? Pup, 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 pup. Tumain na. Linisin na natin. Linisin natin. Alright. Si paring Wancho ay gising na naman. Kagagaling lang sa tulog ulit. Hello. 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 What is that? So tayo ay manananghalian na. Lunchtime. Lunchtime natin ay shawarma. Shawarma. Nice. Shawarma. Right. Ang ating wrap for shawarma. Wow. Kano isang order? It's beef. Ito galing to kay parang Leo. Ginisang tokwa and broccoli. Yun, homemade lahat. Tapos homemade sauce. Nice. Alright. Shawarma. Homemade shawarma. Up. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Wancho, let's eat shawarma. Yummy. Yummy!
Shut up the golden.
Mmm.
Not the golden.
Yummy! Mmm. Yummy!
Baka nang tatanong. Baka nang magpalaman ng sa.
No? Up. Mmm. Oh. Shawarma. Nice. Round 2. Mmm.
Yung kailan na gusto pa lang?
Mm. Mm? You want shawarma? Hmm? Shawarma. Uy, uy, uy.
Not done.
Alright, folks. Gabi na ulit. So, kita na lang ulit tayo sa susunod na video. Peace.